So what we want to do is kind of break it off into smaller incremental steps. So, the first step might be, how do we just integrate the process of communication between operations and maintenance? And then let's jump to a second step where we start to look at, okay, well, let's try to leverage some machine data and start to use some of that machine data in our maintenance process. And then finally, let's start to look at combining operational efficiency data and maintenance efficiency or maintenance performance data together to really optimize the process and get really good insights as to where we can improve our maintenance and operations process. And then, hopefully along the way, every time you make an incremental step, you drive some return on investment that actually allows you to get further investment in order to get to your ultimate goal of getting to a predictive environment in your maintenance process.